Welcome guys, in this video I will show you how to share a location on Google Maps. So, for example, right now I'm looking for one location randomly, for example this location, and I want to share it. What I have to do, for example, I want to share this street location. What I have to do, I will just click like for 1 second or two in the right place that I want to share, and I will scroll up this, and what I have to do, I will click on share. So after that it will give me like many options where I want to share it. For example, here on WhatsApp, on Facebook, in Gmail, everything, and then you can share it. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.